Doon po sa mga naapektuhan ng unemployment, those people that are really struggling to find a work, ano po yung ma-advise niyo po sa kanila?
Education to me is a very important aspect in terms of looking for a bright future. And education doesn't mean only that you have to go to school, but I think you have to develop three major things in life. You have to have enough knowledge, and knowledge should be converted into skills in producing something. There must be something that will blend them together. These are the positive values of people: honesty, integrity, compassion, understanding, creativity, knowledge, skills, and values. Then people should look for these three so that when an opportunity comes, then you are prepared. Success is a combination of opportunity and preparation. So that preparation should be made by having the knowledge, the skills, and the proper attitude.
Napakaganda nun. In summary, knowledge without execution is nothing. And you have to always accumulate those knowledge para maging prepared kayo whenever that work opportunity comes.